still going to be pricey, but not too pricey. And then we can go in our, it depends what the sea's like, but we could go in our, which needs batteries. Wow. Do you need any beauty products? Lay's crisps. Maybe we should get a milk. I'm using their shampoo. Wow, Bye Bye Smell Hair and Body Mist. Look at that. Really cute. Sassy again, I like the word sassy here. Doesn't spray. Do you need any soaps? T-shirts? Toothbrushes?
These are right, only like 12p each.
Wow, that's great value. We could have one each a day if we got, as it is. Yeah, but do we need that many? Well, we might do. If we have at least one a day each.
Well, we could just get
mixed. A mixed batch. Or one big one of each. No, that still might not be enough. I want to see if we've got any shorts for you. Baby oh, it's Baby Dino. Oh, I found some boxing shorts for you, baby. Boxer shorts. But not boxer shorts as we know them. Boxer shorts as in you will do boxing in them.
I just said drinking water.
Oh, okay.
I'll get that.
Yeah. They've got some flip-flops for you if you want. Oh, look at this. Man shirt. We've got man bags. Yeah. Look. Fashion military products.
Yeah, fashion.
Little flip-flops. And literal boxy shorts.
Do you think that would suit
No.
David like that?
Yeah. Malted milk. Oh, that milk drink's malted milk, not just milk. Volcano Ovaltine. Oh, they've still got Ovaltine. Ovaltine, but it's Volcano. Oh, we don't get Ovaltine products at home anymore. And then get pistachio milk. Plugs.
You want a bowl?
First ticket. Yeah. Yeah. Oh. But I was thinking more of a, not a necessarily disposable one. I mean, we could get disposables if we think we'll use them. More beauty.
We'll get candles that'll just get put out by the rain.
Yeah. Yeah.
What's this Mr. Latham?
What genre is it in? Teriyaki flavoured Pringles. What genre, babes? Macadamias. Wines. Now this is a meats and a cheeses and a fishes. Maybe I should get a spoon. I don't know if we can take it back into England.
Oh.
He won't eat it. Some of the packaged fish. Oh look, it's Crave.
Yeah.
We've got the tomato crisps. There's so many options. Seaweed flavour. One of these in a tube. Kebab flavour, barbecue overload. And cheese flavour. I bet they've got MSM. This purple flavour, it looks like a K-pop idol or something on it.
Yeah.
It doesn't say, they're a bit bulky to Pepsi flavoured. What's that? Shrimp flavoured. Yeah, squid flavour crisp.
Yeah, I remember that.
Lab. I don't know what
That's
lab
why I had to get
is.
the coconut covered peanuts. But I can't find any coconut peanuts here.
I've seen some peanuts. Shrimp flavoured.
They didn't do like
Coconut fibre snack.
salted.
That sounds
They only
interesting.
did like various forms of fish.
Pea protein. Yeah. More idols.
Oh, we've got more
cones.
now, obviously. But
Oh, cute things. Oh my god, look at the Pocky. Italian style too. Yeah.
have a look.
See if you've got. There's some triangle pyramid crunch puffs. This is too much. Look at the baby monster. Oh,
Is that a strawberry?
Twist. Marshmallow. Lick dance. Oh, look at all the Pockies. They've got blueberry Pockies. We've got every flavour pocky, palm oil, wheat flour, tapioca, sugar, iodized salt, flavour enhancer, MSM, sodium. No, I can't see OG. You might be alright. Oh, this is cute. I can't see an OG. I can't see onion and garlic on it, babes. Oh, I've got to get Amber this. The cinnamon roll, her favourite. Oh wait, it's a hair clip. She might not use it. Oh, but she's going to love the packaging. She might actually wear it because it's thingy. Oh, cinnamon. Oh, but the pom-pom purin, that's her other favourite. Pom-pom purin sticker with strawberry flavour goods in it. Yeah, yeah. Listen, cheap prizes are the best. I wanted to get spoon of cuttlefish.
Yeah.
No, he won't eat it. There's no point. Right, what about one of these tiny ones that don't cost much to not? I think it's like biltong.
Does he like fish? He doesn't like fish.
No, he doesn't. It's like biltong. What's that as well? Biltong. Soy protein spicy mala. Oh, this is soy, babes. This is just soy, it's not fish. I'm going to get this. Oh, venom. Peanuts, anchovy, honey rust cashew. What did you want? Got all the things. Oh, we got wasabi at home. Cha-cha. Cha-cha. Oh, what are they? Nuts here. Shrimp flavour, but they've got something in the middle. Chicken flavour. Look at these, they've got stuff in the middle, babes.
You got what?
Stuff in the middle of them.
Shrimp.
No, that one was, but this is chicken with stuff in the middle. I'm getting that for me. I'm getting this soy. It's just soy for David, but it's spicy. It's not fish. I've got my 2 coffees waiting for me at home.
Yeah, that's good.
Everything's a bit bulky. Yeah, you probably do, babes. Oh, and we've got water now, right? Oh, we should have got a basket. Why don't we get a basket, babes? There we go. Why didn't we get a basket? Why didn't we get a basket, babe? We failed.
Yeah.
Failed. Pops, raspberry. Ah, I've seen some coconut peanuts and cocoa. Peanut with sugar and sesame. Things like that. Durian chips. Choco balls. What are these? Tiny cookies. There's some there, peanut and cocoa.
Oh, no.
Jackfruit chips.
Is that them?
Coconut. That looks like coconut peanut to me, yeah. Yeah, it looks like it. Do you want me to read the back and see if there's any English? Prunes? Okay, there's no English. Yeah, it looks like coconut.
Peanuts?
Yeah, coconut lumps. Maybe no, it's cookies. I think it's like what are those things that babies have?
You know those coated peanuts? You know where you
Yeah,
get like,
there was some stuff like that
yeah,
there on it. Well, they're not coated, but
there's definitely 7-Eleven.
is there some in tubs there? Oh, this is like what we got before. Remember? What are these ones? Sweet ice. Oh, that's interesting. I don't know which brand that is. Ice bag. Surprise peeling gummy. Zombie skull. Oh. Were there any that looked...
Yeah, I think
Remember we got these in other country that had these mixer spoons?
Oh, yeah. I think they're them, aren't they?
Yes. Coconut heavy. Peanuts, coconut cream flavour coated. Okay, they sound nice. Yeah, I can see the ingredients without in English.
Yeah, they're okay.
Peanuts, wheat gluten, wheat flour, peanuts, sugar, palm oil, coconut cream, iodized salt, raising agent, sweetener, packing gas. Alright. It's really heavy. Small child. Okay, then.
Have you looked at the toys?
Oh yeah, I have looked at them toys, but I've not looked at. Oh, what's all that? And the fresh goods. I need to film the fresh goods because they looked quite interesting last night. Look at these little baby packs of things. What are they? I think it's cereals.
Ooh,
yeah, it's cereals.
Granola,
Yeah. Oh wow! Look, that Nescafe Gold comes with a plastic tumbler. Oh, these are the things we can save up for. But how are we going to send off? Oh, maybe they give us them over this counter.
What do you get?
We're going to afford one of these before we go, babes.
What do you get though?
Yeah, it's on the leaflet. You can choose. Well, it depends how many points you've got.
Oh yeah.
There's different things. Right. Enjoy any. Oh, this is by those noodle people. I think it's the spices. Wasabi. Right, let me check. Got all that. Oh, what are these, baby? What are these?
Okay.
Real bird's nest. Energy shots. Are any of these speed? Are any of them no? Do you think? I like the fact they've got the reduced Lella sticker here as well.
Yay.
It's universal. So that was this. Yeah.
What's the other one?
That's not chocolate, or they're all not chocolate, but just plain. That's one that existed before. Chocolate coated croissant rouge. There's a reduced thing. If Amber was here, I'd get these. Black Forest with a pretend little baby. Yeah, with a pretend little baby thingy on it. What are they? Look at these puff puffs. You have no idea what they are.
Puff puffs.
That looks lemony. They look.
Hamburger in a bag.
They look like white chocolate. But yeah, how I know melty things, but they're so UPF-y. You can tell. Swathed in plastic. Oh my gosh, look at this. They're also heavily packaged. But instant noodle. There's the famous one. Wow. What have you seen?
Pizza.
A slice by the slice. Oh. So it's got pineapple.
Yeah.
Even the apples are in plastic. Salad. Crab stick salad. Oh look, pepper ham sliced. Quite small slices. What's that with its little sauce? Caesar sauce. Okay. Probably seen enough. Yeah. Head to build a picture of what's around them. Oh, they're all doing it. Oh, is it just the way all birds walk? Oh, is it the way all birds walk?
Maybe.
Yeah. Oh, they're the same. Oh, they do a funny little grumble noise then.
So hard work and it's so dangerous. They just pick on low-hanging fruit just to be nasty.
We know
to
that. Well, I don't think a lot of people realise that, but even so, you don't need to